Hey you guys, and I'm back with another video. Thanks for watching. Like always, please like and subscribe to your girl channel so you'll know every time your girl uploads. Anywho, today what we have for you is some spicy spam. Ooh, how you say it? BUDAE JJIGAE. BUDAE JJIGAE. I think that's BUDAE JJIGAE. I don't know. I think that's how you say it. But I got this from my girl Stephanie, and she makes it look so good, and I wanted to try it. And I'm scared of these noodles. So let's see. Oh yeah. And back here I got that. And you see her right there. She in the cup. Okay. Okay, it's like oh goodness. It's like a something. Oh God, get off of there. It's like something, y'all. It's good, but it's hot. Oh goodness. Oh, hand me something. Tissue, get some napkin. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Make my nose. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. I didn't know it was this spicy. Want some? It got the texture of like almost kind of like spaghetti. They're bearable, cause y'all know, but they got that little kick. Oh, the cake. Let me get it. Pickle with it.
Gonna be spicy.
Today we having cocktails. Woo. No. Let me taste the egg, y'all. Okay. This is like throat burner, like down your body, not throat, but down your body burn. Woo! Y'all, I'm going through. So, y'all, this is something to try. Got some sausage in there. Everything hot. My bottom lip's starting to burn. Okay, make some BUDAE JJIGAE, she said. I don't know who the heck told me to make this. Like, I can see, oh, it's so hot. Oh. Oh, God, I'm going through. Need some pickles. Those not helping. I need something like a cool. Yeah, I should have cucumbers. Something cool and refreshing, because that tastes like. Ooh, knock the whole thing down. Y'all, I guess this is like an army stew in English. But if they used to eat this in the army, they was eating. Shit. This is a Korean meal. I ain't getting that piece up. I don't want it. Not because my table dirty, because it's hot. The less I have, the more. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's so spicy. But I guess it is a less spicy one too. But it's alright to put a little spice in your life. Thank you. Because what's happening over here, because I'm going through so much. I can't be, like, it felt like shots when you take shots. Uh-huh.
Some of your glasses.
Oh, my glasses? Oh, we living. We living. It got real, y'all. When you do that, you live it. You get a mess on them glasses, you live it. This is too hot. This is stupid. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't even know. I don't even know why. Why did I even do this? Like, this is not even my life. Oh. I should. Let me eat this green stuff. I don't know what it is, but. What is this?
Probably seaweed.
If it is, it's better cooked, because I had that fried one, and nope. Tastes like fried fish food. It smelled it like fish food, too. Oh. Okay. I should have prayed over this meal. I forgot. My hands getting starting not to. My hands losing function. Oh goodness, but it's so good. This was stupid. Every time I eat something, some spicy stuff, it be so good. You know what? I just went. I don't know. I did have a conversation for y'all, but this is my conversation right now. what I'm going through. Oh, God.
Eat a sausage.
All right, I'm about to eat sausage. Those spicy. I'm about to get an egg, a sausage. I'm about to put me a concoction together. Hold on. Come on, baby. Act right. You see mommy making a movie. And I want to eat you. Little concoction. So hot. It's so hot.
You can smell it.
You smell it? I can't even smell, but my nose is definitely going through something. That's stupid. They got a challenge for 10 times spicy. I mean 12 times spicy noodles. What is wrong with y'all? Do y'all want to die? That is too hot. I don't want that little... I don't want that fox in my noodles.
Oh, they did last.
Yeah, they did. I think they're like a... Anybody leave in the comments below.
I'll say it's over here.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a little foxy. What is that? I'm not eating it. I'm not saying nothing wrong with it, but I don't know. Oh, 12 times spicy. They trying to get me to taste that. Please. I'm hot. I'm so hot. I did something though. Yes, I did. Oh, I'm so hot. You see the sweat? Oh. I don't know who made these, but I'm just trying to figure out why you won't just stop at, like, what number are you trying to get to? You know? They got 100 times hot stuff?
I don't know. They probably do.
Let me tell you something. That's why I didn't put on no lashes. That's why I didn't care to, like, really, yeah, because at this point, I just feel like this hurt, you know? And I'm trying to be a part of the... I'm trying to be a part of the people's. Like, okay, there I go, little. But this is regular spice. This is just spicy. No one time, no 2 time.
So you need the 2 times.
No, I need nothing. I need ramen. How you say it, Merchini? What? Ramen. Now I need that regular stuff. Cause this stuff right here.
Merchini.
Oh, y'all. So I'm out. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you have not. Please turn on your post notifications so you know every time your girl uploads. Period, poo. You know what I'm saying? Why not? And it's free. You gotta buy it. But until next time, y'all. Be safe. Try this. You know what I'm saying?